Imagine a kitchen where every meal is a symphony of flavors, a perfect culinary performance every time. This is what the Ninja Foodi 7-in-1 Multicooker promises. From the moment you have it, your kitchen will never be the same. This device is not just another gadget. It is a revolution, a true extension of your culinary talents. You are about to discover why thousands of people can't live without it, and how it will transform your cooking experience. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. This product is perfect for busy families who want quick and delicious meals without sacrificing quality. It is also ideal for cooking enthusiasts looking to experiment with different cooking techniques using a single versatile device. The Ninja Foodi. It's like having a personal chef at home. With a capacity of 6 liters, it is perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or even for a dinner with friends. Its black and grey color with a chrome finish gives it an elegant look that will fit perfectly into any modern kitchen. But it's not just about looks. Inside this sleek device lies a power of 1460W, capable of transforming the simplest ingredients into dishes worthy of the finest restaurants. What makes the Ninja Foodi truly exceptional is its exclusive TenderCrisp technology. Imagine cooking a chicken under pressure to achieve tender and juicy meat, then using the crisping lid for a golden and crispy skin. In an instant, you can switch from pressure cooking to air frying, achieving perfect results every time. This technology allows for cooking up to faster than traditional methods, providing valuable time savings for anyone with a busy schedule. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The Ninja Foodi is more than just a simple pressure cooker. It is a multifunctional device that can pressure cook, air fry, slow cook, steam, bake, roast, sear, sauté, and grill. You can prepare flavorful steaks, creamy risottos, pasta bakes, or simmered vegetarian stews with astonishing ease. The versatile temperature settings give you complete control, allowing you to experiment and create unique dishes. The 6-liter capacity of the Ninja Foodi is ideal for families. You can easily prepare a whole chicken weighing 2 kilograms, enough to feed 4 people or more. In addition, the 3.6L Cook Crisp basket and the 2-level rack allow you to cook multiple dishes at the same time, thereby optimizing your time in the kitchen. You can cook your main dish and your side dish simultaneously, which is perfect for complete meals. One of the most appreciated features of the Ninja Foodi is its ease of use. The touch controls are simple and intuitive, allowing you to quickly select the desired cooking mode. In addition, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, which greatly simplifies cleaning. No more long scrubbing sessions after a good meal. In addition to its exceptional cooking performance, the Ninja Foodi is also designed to be energy efficient. It consumes less electricity than many other kitchen appliances, which is good for your wallet and for the planet. With this device, you can cook more responsibly while achieving high-quality results. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. The keep warm function is another major advantage of the Ninja Foodi. Once cooking is complete, your dishes stay hot for up to 12 hours, allowing you to prepare your meals in advance and enjoy them whenever you wish. No more rushing to the table. Your food will always be at the perfect temperature. For those who love variety, the Ninja Foodi is a dream come true. You can fry foods with up to less oil than traditional methods thanks to the air fry function. Perfect for crispy fries and guilt-free chicken wings. And for baking enthusiasts, the Ninja Foodi allows you to bake cakes, pies, and even sourdough bread with surprising ease. But let's not stop there. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and finding your dinner already prepared. Thanks to the slow cooking function of the Ninja Foodi, you can start cooking in the morning and come home to a hot and tasty meal ready to be enjoyed. This feature is perfect for stews, soups, and casseroles that require long, slow cooking to develop rich and deep flavors. The Ninja Foodi is also equipped with interchangeable lids that make it easy to switch between different cooking methods. The pressure lid is perfect for quick cooking, while the crisping lid gives your dishes a golden and crispy finish. This versatility makes the Ninja Foodi an essential tool for any modern kitchen. Now I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number one advantage is versatility. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 combines multiple cooking functions in a single device, which helps save space in the kitchen. Advantage number 2 is speed. Thanks to the TenderCrisp technology, it cooks up to faster than traditional methods. Advantage number 3, ease of use. The touch controls are intuitive and the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Advantage number 4, energy savings. It consumes less electricity compared to other cooking appliances. Advantage number 5. Large capacity. The 6-liter pot is ideal for preparing meals for the whole family or for gatherings with friends. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. The number 1 drawback is weight. At 9.5 kilo, it can be difficult to move or store for some people. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi 7-in-1 Multicooker is much more than just a simple kitchen appliance. It is a true culinary revolution that allows you to prepare delicious, healthy, and varied meals with astonishing ease. Its TenderCrisp technology, multiple cooking functions, and large capacity make it the ideal tool for families and cooking enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your cooking experience. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price. Learn more and see the thousands of customer reviews that swear by the Ninja Foodi. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.